I'm going to show you on how you can delete your account on Alibaba. So the first thing to do is to search alibaba.com, and then once you're logged in, go to your profile, and then as you can see here that there's many options, go to account, and then once you're here on your account, go to personal information. And under personal information, you can see a member profile, click that. And then as you can see that there's a deactivate account option, click that also. And then once you're here, go to enter your username. Then once you've entered your username, go to the second one and type deactivate my account. And after you type the deactivate my account, as you can see that there's a lot of reason here, but I choose to prefer the other one. You can choose any reason as you want. And after that, go to hit the deactivate my account and then click OK. And then there you go. This is how you delete your Alibaba account.